Okay, supposedly we are recording on this computer. This is the 5-minute tour of the User2User Discord server, the new home of the User2User Live G+ community since G+ consumer side's going away. Anyway, when you get your Discord downloaded, get the app on your computer and everything, and Michael has covered all of that in another video. This is what you're going to see when you first come in. You will see it'll say something here. It randomizes and it'll give your name and say you just landed. This is what you'll see. Don't pay any attention to these. These are other Discord servers that I have. This is the logo for the User2User Discord server. You have channels over here. Main chat channel, help us, so forth, so on. Quick way to learn about this is if you go to every channel, you can basically see what it says. But when you go to the channel, also go up here and click this, because you have pinned messages to not just the server, you have pinned messages for every single channel. And you can have more than one pinned message. It is great, but like I said, when you come in, first thing you do, you will get some instructions. For instance, when you come in, there's a welcome message that you get, but you can customize it. So I've personally used it and set this up here so that the welcome message that you get when you first come in, we have to go way down here because it gives you instructions on what you should do and everything if you want to stay a member. We are asking for first and last names. We discourage handles rather strongly. We want to get to know who you are. We would like you to give a little introduction to yourself so that you can get to know us and we can get to know you. Let me get further down here where we can go all the way down. I wish there was a below the message. All right, here's the new one. All right, this is the message that you now see when somebody joins. It says, please read first. If you haven't done it, blah, 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 boom. If you have any questions, and that's it. And then, like I say, once you take care of whatever it is that is asked of you, then go and look at each one of the categories, check out what each category is, and check its send messages. Like here, if you have a future event coming up, you can schedule it, put a post in here for it, let people know about it. If you have a live event, you're getting ready to go live on something, post it here. Somebody else may be online and want to watch it. Past videos, I'm subscribing to every member's YouTube channel so that when they post a video on their YouTube channel, it will automatically post over here so you can keep up with what other members are doing. We have a place to add your blog. If you have a blog and want people to know about it, if you want to put your YouTube channel here, that helps me from saves me from having to go look to find it when I want to add it to the subscribers so your thing shows up. Memes, rank, levels, and the other fun stuff go here, and tell us about yourself. Short little bio. We have talk channels. Let's talk. You can hit here and have a phone conversation and everything. But basically, that's it. It's real easy. Like I say, Michael has covered already how to get the Discord and get it installed and everything. But I really, really urge you, if you are a member of the User2User Live community on Google Plus and have not come over to the new Discord home, please do so. After March the 7th, the G Plus community I will continue to respond to, but all new content will be put over here on the Discord channel. Thank you for watching, and I'm now going to stop the recording.